Today is the girls' birthday. Amelia and Melissa are just turning 40. So we're going out to supper at St. Cloud Hotel. We've never eaten dinner there, so we're going to do a food review at St. Cloud. We'll do more when we get there. Made it to the hotel. This is the hotel. I've talked about it before in one of our other videos. I should put it up on the screen. This hotel was originally about 25 miles away in Silver Cliff. And after the silver mine closed, they moved it here brick by brick. We're off for dinner. We're going in to have drinks, and I missed it, but go ahead. This is how you go in. It's like a speakeasy.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Of course, enjoy.
You betcha. Good afternoon. Okay, our drinks are here, and Chris and I got old fashions. Janine got a water. She's going to be our driver, I suppose. And Amelia got a Chardonnay, French Chardonnay, correct? Alrighty. Gross.
Cheers.
Happy birthday, Amelia. Well, I was the only one that got a salad. Nobody else got a salad, but we had rolls. Got a pineapple drink. That, yeah, looks delicious. St. Patrick's Day, yay. Okay, main course should be coming up. Okay, entrees are here. Oh, that's the lamb. How fantastic.
For you.
Oh my good. Ooh, that smells
Good
good.
smoke flavor, yeah.
And the salmon.
Anything else we can mention?
For the moment, no, we're good. Thank you. Thank you. Awesome. Oh my goodness. Look at the walnuts in there. Oh my goodness.
Oh, you guys are talking about.
I can't even eat that with one hand.
Oh yeah, do it. No, she knows where you're coming.
I know, but like, do they really care though? Like, were they all on the cruise for the restaurant?
Well, you try your salmon so we can see how it is.
On camera?
I can't cut this with one hand. Good. Boy, I can smell that smoke in there. Okay, I put the camera down and I cut a piece of lamb.
Do you even notice the camera anymore, Janine?
And that is fantastic. Yeah, she still notices it. She still complains, but quietly.
It's like a movie
Oh,
star.
that is fantastic.
Yes.
This is Chris. Hi, Chris.
Hello.
You're going to be
Hi.
on YouTube. You're going to be famous.
Perfect.
Chris, show us the speakeasy room. Isn't that amazing? That is awesome. Thank you, Chris. You're a gentleman and a scholar. Okay, we've all pretty much finished our dinners. Mine was fantastic. I thought the lamb was great. Salmon's good. It's all gone, so it must have been good. Very good. I don't care what Rob says. This was a good place to eat. So Cheyenne, thank you very much. I know this is your very first day. Would you like to tell us the history of this hotel?
Yeah, so I feel Brianna would be a lot better than I would be able to, but I can tell you the gist. But if you want to take the lead.
Of course. So the hotel was originally built in 1883 in Silver Cliff, Colorado. It was silver gold mine in town. The boom happened, the bust happened, so they had a brand new hotel and nobody did stay in it because everybody fled to chase the gold, chase the silver, on to the next best thing. So they decided to move down the hotel down here, brick by brick, in 1886, reopened 1887, hence the name. And then it's been a few different things. It's almost always been a hotel. It's been a bus stop. It's been a couple other different things. But when it was bought in 2018 by the owner now. They bought it off auction block, $88,000. It was nothing at this point. It was the building. It was in shambles. There wasn't even a floor. It was just dirt. So the first 2 years were purely structural when he bought it. And then it's been a phased project since then. The front bar, that was opened first. That was in October of 2023. And then the dining room, the lobby, and the speakeasy in the back, that was opened in February 2024. And then recently, it was just this past summer, July-ish, We launched 36 rooms upstairs, 12 on each floor. So it's been a different thing. It's been a big project, that's for sure. It's been, I believe it's over 20. We're in over $20 million now of trying to get this place back up. But it's been a project.
Do they have TVs in the rooms?
They do, yes, they do.
When we came here almost a year ago, when the rooms first opened up, and I ran into the owner, and she let us upstairs, and we got to go tour the rooms. We also toured downstairs, the soft opening, very first soft opening.
Yep.
Great people, wonderful people. And I did learn two things in this last week that I didn't really know about. One is it was one story taller in Westcliff or in Silvercliff.
I believe it was I thought it was one story shorter. We added an extra story here. I thought it was originally 3, and they made it 4 here.
That I'll look and see, but I know it was different.
Okay, yep,
The other thing is I just learned at breakfast the other morning that it was a bus stop. Yeah, the
She
gentleman
just said that.
Yeah, I had never heard that before. That's kind of cool.
It's been a few different things. I also believe at one point it did have a different name. It wasn't always the Hotel St. Cloud. I think it got an owner, maybe it was in the 80s-ish, and they changed the name. But then when
do
it was bought
remember
again,
something about that.
It was something else.
Yep.
I also, if you're into history and everything, I have some packets at the front that I can print off for you if you want to further your knowledge on the hotel. But the history is, there's a lot. It's very rich.
It's a beautiful place. It's beautiful. Thank you very much. And Cheyenne, you would have done wonderful. I'm sure of it.
Yeah, we'll get there. We'll get there. Next time you guys come in, okay?
Awesome. We'll be back. Thank you.
Yeah, can I get that out of your way?
Yes, ma'am. We're off to tour the rest of the place.
Thank you all.
Dinner was fantastic. Thank you, Chris.
Thank you.
This is a nice, homey little place, isn't it? Isn't this nice? Here's the other bar. Right in here. There's the elevator. That's cool. Look at these chairs. Beautiful. I told Deneen for our 40th anniversary, we went to Alaska. For our 41st, we're just going to come here.
That's a good plan.
Well, it's kind of neat having the shelf all along there with the chairs. Yeah, I like that.
And it charges.
Very cool. Yeah, chargers down below. Okay, so that's dinner at St. Cloud for Amelia and Melissa's birthday. We are very happy that you watched our video. I'm going to walk outside. Okay, thank you for watching our video. We had a great dinner. Definitely worth coming here for dinner at the St. Cloud here in Cañon City, Colorado. You ever in town, come on by here, have dinner. Don't forget to watch our friends at Dash for Adventure, and we'll see you on the road.